we start, you'll need two things pulled up on your computer screen. The first one is the terminal. Now, if you don't remember what that is, go back and watch episode 2 and get caught back up with us. We'll wait. The second thing you need is a web browser. Now, that could be Google, that could be Safari, whatever you use to search on the internet with, that's what you need. Those two things and we're ready to go. Step 1, Homebrew install. Think of it like an app store for your terminal. Instead of clicking on the download button on the website, you type one command and it installs automatically. And I'm going to show you that command on the screen right now. This is the Homebrew install command. You're going to copy this entire line and paste it into the terminal. All you got to do next is just hit enter. Now it's going to ask you for your Mac password, that one you use to log in. When you type it, nothing's going to show up on your screen. That's normal. It's not broken. It's just hiding your password. So you hit enter and you wait about 2 to 3 minutes. Once Homebrew is done, you type 2 words, brew, install OpenClaw. Hit enter, wait about a minute, and that's it. OpenClaw is on your computer. I told you it wasn't that hard. Now you gotta give OpenClaw a brain. Go to Anthropic.com in your web browser. Create an account. Add a payment method. It costs about $5 to $20 a month, depending on how much you use it. Then you go to API keys and create a new key. Then just copy it. Now, back in the terminal, type OpenClaw configure. It's going to ask you to paste that API key you just copied. Paste it in there and just hit enter. That's it. Your OpenClaw now has a brain, an AI brain. Now, type OpenClaw and hit enter, and then say hello, your AI is alive. It's going to ask you who you are, what to call you, what do you want to do. Just talk to it like a person. Tell it your name, tell it what you want to do. The more it knows about you, the better it gets. I told mine to ask me some questions and just started firing off the answers to it. And it remembered almost everything. That's it. You just installed your own personal AI assistant. Heck, I'm a 58-year-old used truck salesman from Texas. And if I can do this, you can do this. Now drop a comment if you get stuck. I read every single one of them. In the next video, I'm going to show you an even easier way to install it using AI itself. I'm Pops, and this is AI After 50. See you next time. Hasta luego.